A school is sharing 10 care packs among 3 support rooms: the quiet room, the newcomer room, the reading corner. Each room must get at least 1 pack. There is a twist. The quiet room must get more packs than the reading corner. How many different ways can the school share them? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Hint: what if you pick the reading corner's count first? The tricky part is the quiet room must get more than the reading corner. So here is the trick. Pick a value for reading first. Then count the valid quiet and newcomer pairs. If reading equals R, then quiet plus newcomer equals 10 minus R, and quiet must be greater than R. Walk through each case. If reading equals 1, then quiet plus newcomer equals 9. Quiet must be at least 2. So quiet ranges from 2 to 8. That is 7 ways. If reading equals 2, then quiet plus newcomer equals 8. Quiet must be at least 3. So quiet ranges from 3 to 7. That is 5 ways. If reading equals 3, then quiet plus newcomer equals 7. Quiet must be at least 4. So quiet ranges from 4 to 6. That is 3 ways. If reading equals 4, then quiet plus newcomer equals 6. Quiet must be at least 5. So quiet can only be 5. That is 1 way. Add them up. 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 equals 16. The answer is 16 ways. Nice spotting. Let me show you the big idea. This is the pick one, count the rest rule. If a problem has an extra ordering or inequality constraint, then pick the constrained variable's value first. For each value, count the ways the other rooms can fit what is left. Then add the counts together. Look for the words must be more than, or less than, or at least. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.